you need to this side, hold button and press OK button. Not together. First press hold. Once your ignition on, it's coming to this mode, service data. If you want to check the data, you can press OK and press OK. Then again you have to check which oil grade with service due. My one, this one. Make sure you done the service before you do the. This is Mercedes GLC 2018 model. I'm going to show you how to reset service light without computer. First we need to remove this knob. Just pull, it will come out. After that need a main screen mileage. Then after that you need to insert your manual key to the key slot and just turn 1. When you press second one, your ignition on. This system not going to be work. You have to turn just one turn, like one, right? Ignition not on, just one turn. Then after that you need to this side, hold button and press OK button. Not together. First press hold, then after press OK button. I'm going to do it now. Hold and OK. Just hold 3-4 seconds. See, now the main screen change. Then after that you need to scroll down with the down arrow, assistant plus. When you come into the assistant plus, you need to press OK. Then it's coming to this menu. Then after that you need to do ignition on. That means you have to turn another circle like this. After that your ignition on. Then once your ignition on, it's coming to this mode, service data. If you want to check the data, you can press OK and find out data like this. If you want go back, press this one, go to the down arrow key and press OK. Full service. Then after that you can scroll down to the confirm service, press OK. Then again you have to check which oil grade with service due. My one, this one. Then once you go this one, you need to press OK. After that it's asking yes or no. I'm going to press yes and press OK. Then after that it will reset. What I'm going to do after that, I'm going back, press this one, I'm going back. Right, leave it like that. Switch off the car and I'm going to start the car. Now you can see as it is, service reminder disappeared. This is the way. If you don't have a computer, you can follow this step and reset your own car. Make sure you done the service before you do the reset. Please subscribe and follow our channel, then you can get lot of useful video and tips. Thank you. See you with another video.
Thanks for watching.